Hello everyone, today is a new day and we arrived to the Garuda Park, National Park, which is situated in Nusa Dua. And it's a really nice park, so let me show you. We are happy to be here in this really nice touristic area.
Смотри, нашли базу покемонов.
There was a festival with Ogo Ogo statues, scary creatures, and this location is not really crowded. The territory is so big. We want to go to Garuda and we have a choice. We can walk or use a buggy car, but it usually takes like 15 or 20 minutes to walk. We decided to walk and return back using a car because it was too hot. There are so many statues of Ogo Ogo, like miniatures. It's so windy actually outside, so my hair is messy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But this is for the rest. Now I try.
So we arrived to a museum called Asana, and there is a culture of Bali and Java.